Sunlight shimmers on the summer breeze. She wakes the flowers with the morning rain, and drapes the mountain peaks in winter's veil. Oh, she's a wild thing, a beautiful wild thing. You can hear a warning in the quiet morning. Mother's got a temper, mother's got a fire. She will make you remember nothing stands above her. She gives us everything, then sweeps it all away. Mother's got a temper, and she won't be tamed. Rivers running like a silver dream. Rain comes pouring in a restless stream. She paints the heavens red and burning gold, then hides the stars beneath the storm clouds fold. Oh, she's a wild thing, a beautiful wild thing. You can feel her calling when the sky build your tower strong and tall, thinking nothing could